Building a strong business credit score is crucial, and it starts with paying bills on time. A historical payment behavior record with previous creditors plays a significant role in establishing a good credit score. Consistently meeting all payments to creditors, suppliers, utility providers, and lenders demonstrates financial discipline and a reliable business. Missing payments, on the other hand, can hurt your credit score. Having a dedicated phone line that is listed can also enhance communication with clients, boost professional image, and strengthen credibility. Additionally, it is essential to ensure that vendors are reporting payments, as a higher number of vendors reporting a positive credit history will result in a better business credit rating. Some best practices to improve your business credit rating include establishing lines of credit with multiple vendors, using only your business bank account for payments, and prioritizing record keeping. By following these steps, you can effectively build your business credit score and establish a strong financial foundation for your business.